transfer, when we are doing that, there are different ways of technology transfer are there, like licensing is one of the way of tech transfer, startup activity is another, in-house development is another tech transfer way. So, strategic alliance is also one of the way of tech transfer. So, here what happens that whenever you are like monetizing, commercializing this intellectual assets, like agreements are there, contracts are there, right. There if it is not particularly thought carefully, then the litigation will be the like unavoidable. Okay. So, that we have to be very careful, or a startup venture is there, if a startup activity is there, the ownership transfer of a patent from the first owner to that startup, like whosoever is doing that startup activity, is mandatory, whether that step is done or not. It may be academic institute, but you have to do that step. If you have not done that thing, that creates a issue.